Find or read reviews that people are talking about ZACHVO 2-slice toaster with wide slots for bread and bagels. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Digital countdown with precise control. The digital countdown timer lets you see exactly how much time is left, helping you avoid guesswork and deliver consistent toasting results every time. Includes defrost, reheat, and cancel functions to support everyday use. Wide slots for bread and bagels. Self-centering wide slots handle bread, bagels, and thicker slices with ease, keeping each piece aligned for even toasting on both sides. No flipping required, regardless of thickness. For best results, place bread in both slots to help distribute heat more evenly. 6 shade settings for custom browning. Choose from 6 browning levels, from lightly golden to extra crispy. Whether you prefer soft toast or deep crunch, this toaster adapts to different tastes with balanced, even heating. Easy cleaning and compact storage. A removable crumb tray allows quick cleanup in seconds, while the compact design fits neatly on smaller countertops without adding clutter, ideal for everyday kitchens. Compact stainless steel design. Finished in durable stainless steel. This 2-slice toaster offers a clean, modern look that fits a wide range of kitchen styles, combining everyday practicality with lasting durability, making it a thoughtful gift and an ideal first appliance for a new home. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.